We're busybody kids, hey! Get ready for some learning, laughing, and games. At Busybody Kids, we always love to play.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Busybody Kids. How many of you like rockets? I do too! So today we are going to be building our very own foam canister rocket. Now before we do anything with science experiments, we need to take care of our safety first. So I have got my very own pair of safety glasses right here. And I'm going to put them on to make sure that my eyes don't get injured in the process of making our really cool rocket. Alright, come on, let me show you what we got. So we're going to start with our foam canister. Alright, over here we have 3 triangles. These are going to be the rocket's fins. Now the fins on the rocket are really important because they stabilize the rocket to make sure the rocket is going in the direction that it wants to. Otherwise, the rocket is going to go like this and go all over the place. So we need to make sure that we stick our fins on our rocket. Alright. Now it's also very important when sticking your fins on the rocket to make sure that they are evenly spaced. So we're going to turn our foam canister upside down because our rocket is going to shoot upside down, up. There we go, there's our first fin. Always make sure when doing your science experiments at home to make sure that there's always an adult close by, because sometimes science experiments can go wrong. And some of them can be dangerous. Great! Now we have our 3 fins stuck on our rocket. Alright, now we're going to turn our rocket the right way around and take off the cap. Now in our rocket, we're going to put a little bit of water. Oh, I think that's a little bit much. We only need a little bit of water, about 5 millimeters deep. There we go, that should do it. And then we are going to take our baking powder, and we're going to take about 3 to 5 grams of baking powder. Right, and we're going to put it in here. Now we need to quickly put our lid on. And shake, 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 shake. Shake it for about 3 seconds. Alright, then we're going to put our rocket down, upside down on the lid, and we're going to move back. How cool was that? Just remember that sometimes science takes a bit long to work. So give it some time if your rocket doesn't blast off immediately. Sometimes it takes a bit of time for the water and the powder to really mix well together. So if your rocket hasn't blasted off, just give it a few minutes. Don't go near it until it does, because I promise you it will. Right? Science is so much fun. What's your favorite science experiment? If you liked this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you again. Bye!